Great, it looks like Mommy's been trying to dig in to her babies. Hi, my babies. I apologize. I have been with the littles and I have not been doing good videos of these guysies. Hi, Ellen. How are you? You just got home. Hey, oh, you look like you're drying right up. Wonderful. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Yay. It looks like you guys have been practicing your excavation skills also, my little precious excavators. My little precious excavators. Look out. Look out. Look out. Eladine. Oh my goodness, you look better today. Oh, careful, sissy. You fell off the rock. Come here. Oh, come here. Who fell off the rock? Oh, my little excavators. Yeah. Don't you want one of these little excavators? Yeah. Yeah.